Alright guys, just took out the turbo, time to put one in. Sorry. This is Alternator, car bet on me yesterday. I'm gonna tell you exactly what I did and how I got this out. I had a lot of help real quick, just popped right through with David and Jordan because I didn't have the right tools. They were like, yeah, just do this, take this shit out, and boom, boom, and got it out. Fucking thankful because I fucking dark already. I was trying to beat the time. So what I did first was disconnect the negative terminal and on the battery. Then always do that first. You're gonna fucking fry yourself, and don't do that. Then I took off the belt tension with like the 14mm socket over here, right here. You know, I took off the belt from the alternator. Then I disconnected the connector, then pulled back this boot and it has a 10mm on it. Disconnected that. There was 3 bolts, 1 at the top and 2 at the bottom. And 2 at the bottom is what I was having trouble with to get out because I didn't have any angled or nothing like sockets and shit for that. So they came in clutch and told me to take off my fucking fan. And I took off my they took off my fucking fan and got the bolts loose and then fucking popped out the alternator. Now I just got redo everything. Should be all right. We'll be back. 2 bolts. That. Like that. Watch out, you gotta watch out for the plastics. That's the most important thing. So after like 10 minutes of struggling and sweating and back breaking, I think I finally got it to fit in. So this is how Mondays feel like.
Bring it back, BRB.
Alright guys, as you could hear, she's alive! Big shout out to, David and Jordan. He just came back again because I never changed out the belt and I had no idea like how to really fit it properly because I've never done it before. And yet again, he came through clutch, got in, 10-15 minutes, and car's on. She started. I'm gonna let it idle for like 30 minutes, then shut it off, let it chill, and try to turn it back on and go for a drive. Yeah, big shout out to him. Love the support, I'm always getting, and especially in crucial times like this. That would have been honestly, I would have been let this sit here and try to do it tomorrow. But no, I got it done today, and the car's only been down for a day. So back and running, boys. Peace.